this House debated the Offences Against the Person Amendment Bill, the Criminal Justice Administration Amendment Bill, and the Child Care Protection Amendment Bill, which seek to appropriately treat with and increase the penalties for the offense of murder under Jamaican law. In 2023, amendments to the Domestic Violence Act were passed to offer greater protection for victims and survivors. Those amendments include expansion of the category of persons allowed to apply for protection orders on behalf of the abused, including the Children's Advocate and the Bureau of Gender Affairs. The court can now direct respondents to relinquish to the police any firearm or weapon which a respondent may have in his or her possession or control, and which may or may not have been used.